poppin'? It's your boy Gang. Welcome back to my review channel. Happy 420 to those out there who like to roll that loud. Today, we're doing a review on the company GLD. And today, the items that we are reviewing are the Rolling Loud Rocket and Spinner Pendant. So with that being said, let's get into it. Here's the box and the package that it came in. Right here. Let's open this thing up. And off the bat, the lid to the box got that GLD print, that GLD stamp right here. You know what I'm saying? Showing their little signature logo. And then we got a little cushion on top to keep the little items from moving around in the box. The first thing that came in the box right here. Alright, so we got the GLD card and a little wrap right here with the GLD logo on the back. You know what I'm saying? And then we got a GLD sticker right here that you can put on something, a little decal. And other than that, got my little receipt right here. And ain't nothing else in the box but a little cushion on the bottom. Alright, so here's the box that the pendants came in with the GLD stamp right here, black box with the gold sides right here on the little trim right there, and it is alright, a little flat box like this. This how you open that thing up, little lid. I like that, decent little size box. You can keep your pendants and stuff in here along with the chains. Check that out. Alright, boom. So, the pendants came in this little GLD Ziploc bag right here with the GLD insignia on there, as always, with the little zipper thing with the GLD on there. You know what I'm saying? A little dust-proof bag you can keep your pendants in if you choose to. And the first pendant, then we're gonna start off with. We're gonna do the rocket. We're gonna do the rocket. They come in this little bag right here like this. You know what I'm saying? So, let's get into it. Yeah, this thing is nice. I like this. So, this is the Rolling Loud GLD Rocket Pendant. As y'all can see right there. Let me get that black back. You know what I'm saying? That is. It got the blue stones in there. As y'all can see. Hold up. It got the blue stones in there. As y'all can see. For the windows. The bell is iced out. The flames come down from the back of the rocket right there. And then on the flames right here, it say Rolling Loud. Right there coming down on that joint. I don't know if y'all can see that good. But yeah, the flames say Rolling Loud on that joint. And then right here, if you look real close, there's blue sapphires, or not sapphires, blue CZs right here to represent the windows on the rocket. And then the bell is iced out right here. The little exhaust engines on the rocket are iced out. They got the flame coming from it and everything. That's what makes it so nice. That thing is tight. And I really like the little attention to detail right here. How they got the flame little lines coming off of it and everything. Going down the whole rocket and then swirling down around right here. That thing is dope right there. And then the lines right here separate the front of the rocket. It's iced out a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see it that good, but it's looking a little hazy to me right now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so this is the GLD Rolling Loud Rocket right here. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing much, ain't nothing special. This is the back right here. It's a solid back. It got the GLD logo right there. And it say Rolling Loud Bay Area 2019. You know? But yeah, so this is the GLD Rolling Loud Rocket right there. About to take off and take flight. Had you in the moon and in the stars and all type of stuff, my man. Had you high in the sky somewhere, buddy boy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that thing is fire right there. I like that joint right there. So let's get into the other pendant right here. And then, boom, this is up. That thing already rolling for y'all. I was gonna get that to y'all last, or after I said a little something about it, but can't stop it from moving and rolling. This is the GLD Rolling Loud Spinner Pendant with the flamingo on that joint. I don't know if y'all can really see that thing that good, but check that joint out. Little flamingo on there. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to really show y'all what I can see on this little camera right here, but the flamingo on there is dope. He got the legs right there and everything on that joint. And if you can see it up close, you can see the head, the face, the beak of the flamingo, and all of that stuff. They got the attention to detail really good on this joint right here. And then they got the right here, palm trees coming from the cursive letters of the word Rolling Loud. It goes into the palm trees to represent, you know what I'm saying, California and the Bay Area, where they do the Rolling Loud festivals most of the time, or all the time from what I know of. So, you know what I'm saying, they got their little insignias on there and everything going loud. So this is the collab with Rolling Loud and GLD. The spinner flamingo pendant, you know what I'm saying? That's that thing right there for you one time. Yeah, that thing is spinning, and it's nice too. So, check it. Oh yeah, I like that right there. And then it came right back in place to stand right back where it's supposed to be, standing straight up, rolling loud. You know what I'm saying? That thing is hard, man. Check that out right there. Spinner pendant. And then this is another solid back right here. Ain't really much to see, you know what I'm saying? And then on the back of the flamingo right here, it says GLD on the back of it. I don't really know if you can see, that's very small. But yeah, so this is the Rolling Loud GLD collaboration spinner pendant. And this is the back one more time for y'all. Let me show y'all the rocket one more time in case y'all want to see that thing again. This is the rocket pendant right here with the Rolling Loud iced out on the flame right here. You know what I'm saying? And the exhaust right here got the gold flame coming off of it right there. Like I said, the blue CZs right there for the window and whatnot. Nothing big, nothing special, just something simple. The bell is iced out and all of that. Solid back. Same thing with this. iced out spinner pendant with the flamingo on it. You know what I'm saying? Boom. And then there it is, a solid back. So this is, you know what I'm saying? Being sponsored by Unnoticed Talent. Y'all already know. Gold Jewelry and GLD. You know what I'm saying? Link in the description. Go check them out. You might like something. You know what I'm saying? And they got discounts and all of that too. All of that good stuff. So, with that being said, it's your boy Gang. I'll see y'all on the next review. You know what I'm saying? Happy 420. Get blazed. Have fun. Chill out. Smoke one with your peoples and smoke one for your boy. You know what I'm saying? This has been that Rolling Loud ordeal. You know what I'm saying? And I'ma see y'all fellas on the next one. Sponsored by Unnoticed Talent. I said it already. I'm a little faded, man. And I'm out. Gang.
Lame niggas on that sucker shit. Them the type of motherfuckers I ain't fucking with. Bum niggas on that broke shit. Them the type of motherfuckers I ain't fucking with. Fake niggas on that hating shit. Them the type of motherfuckers I ain't fucking with.